Most founders treat their website like a brochure or a business card. But in 2026, your website is your biggest salesperson or your biggest expense that's leaking you thousands of dollars. A $10,000 website that just looks nice but sits there collecting dust without you sending any traffic through it and having no process of converting the interest that you're getting through your website, then that is just a liability. But a website that is strategically designed, it's automated and data driven, well, that's an asset and it is a machine that builds trust, it guarantees leads, and it prints sales while you sleep. And it's the bare freaking minimum in 2026 if you actually want to compete in business, especially in the age of AI. It is the absolute bare minimum to have a website in 2026. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to consider when building a website that actually converts. The same process that we use for every 7-figure system that we build out at Venture Mentors and Cornerstone AI. So let's get into it. Before you touch a single design or headline, you need to know who you are building your website for. Your website isn't for everyone. And I'll tell you right now, it's not about you to just talk about yourself because no one cares. Your clients care about what problems that you can solve for them and the value that you can provide. Your website is for one specific person, the ideal client who lands on your page, who looks around and instantly thinks, this is exactly what I have been searching for. So I want you to ask yourself, who is that person? Who's your ideal client? What do they need to hear the most? What problem are they trying to solve that has landed them on your website? And what's stopping them from buying with you? What objections might they have to making a sale with your business? Your entire site, every word, every button should speak directly to that person and their transformation. Your positioning statement should always answer 3 questions. Who do you help? What do you help them achieve? And why are you different? So, for example, ours is pretty simple. We help service-based founders automate, scale, and reclaim their time through AI-driven systems. That sentence alone positions us as the authority, the problem solver, and the future-proof solution that our clients are searching for. When your positioning is clear, everything else on your site, from your offers to your testimonials, builds trust faster. Now, let's talk about your copy, which is just the way that you say the words that are on your website, the words that turn browsers into buyers. So, good copy follows a proven sequence. It's a problem to a solution towards a call to action. So when someone lands on your site, they need to feel immediately understood. Your first line should hit their biggest pain point. Your second line should show that you understand and empathize with that pain point. And your third line should promise an outcome that you can deliver that takes them away from that pain point or solves their problem for them. So here's the formula: from pain to understanding, towards the solution, towards proof that you can deliver on your promise, and then having a call to action for them to engage with your services. So use short sentences and write like you talk. Every paragraph should quietly answer one of these 3 subconscious questions that your clients are asking. Can I trust you? Is this for me? And what should I do next? If your website doesn't answer those 3 questions, it is leaking sales and profit and stealing away from the growth of your business. Your website should not give people too many choices. Confused visitors don't buy because you're creating friction for them in the buying process. They're going to look for someone else who isn't confusing them with what they're saying. So present one clear offer per page and then make it measurable. Don't just say, we help you grow. Say we save you 12 hours a week, cut hiring time by 80%, convert 3 times more sales without spending more on ads. Being specific builds trust. And don't forget your guarantee. It's one of the strongest psychological levers that you have in marketing. If we don't automate one major process for you in your first 30 days, then you don't pay. That's the kind of statement that shows confidence. It reduces perceived risk and it makes buying from you feel safe. When people can trust that you are either going to deliver or they will not end up losing if you don't, then it becomes a no-brainer to take the next step in your sales process. Now, let's talk about social proof because this is one of the biggest deal makers of making any website. People don't buy from fancy logos or impressive taglines, they buy from having social proof. And if you don't know what I mean, I'm talking about positive reviews. If your website doesn't show that what you do works, then your credibility is capped. But if it does, your conversions will skyrocket. So, how do you build trust fast? Well, you need to be able to show results. If you are a service based business, whether you're in cleaning, trades, marketing, coaching, or consulting, you need to capture proof of results from day one, which means screenshots of clients' wins with their consent, video testimonials, before and after transformations, and even snippets of feedback from your DMs if you haven't got public reviews yet. Every single piece of proof that you collect that is real is an invisible salesperson working 24/7 for your business. And I want you to automate it. After every client milestone or completed service that you do, send an automated text or email asking for a review. And I have videos on my channel that dive deeper into this. If you want to check them out, then make sure you're subscribed and check out my other videos. You can do this through my business, Cornerstone AI. And often what we use is a thing called Go High Level or High Level, depending on what you call it. And these automations can collect dozens of testimonials every month without you having to lift a finger. And then make sure that you display them where they matter most. Don't bury all of your testimonials in one reviews page that nobody clicks on. Weave them through your site where they matter most. If you talk about your onboarding process, then show a testimonial saying how smooth it was. If you discuss how great you can clean, then make sure you have some high quality pictures of befores and afters and drop proof exactly where doubt might appear in the buying process. And it removes that friction instantly. Use logos of brands that you have worked with. Like as seen on with their consent, you can have media features and measurable data. For example, we reduced manual admin by 82% and generated 130 leads in the first week for one of our customers at Cornerstone AI. We scaled from 3 to 12 staff using this AI hiring system, is one of our reviews. And the more specific that your proof is, the more powerful that your positioning becomes. And that is the next part that I want to talk about in creating a powerful website that converts: brand positioning. Every testimonial, image, and design element that is on your site should reinforce what your brand is promising. If your brand stands for quality, innovation, and clarity, your visuals and language must be clean, it must be confident, and it must feel elevated. Not with 10 different font sizes and different colors that don't match and random things all over the page. It needs to be consistent. It needs to go further than that and be consistent with all your social medias. It needs to be consistent with your email marketing, with preferably what people are wearing when they're coming into people's homes and businesses. All of your marketing should be consistent, okay? Luxury isn't about being fancy. It is about being intentional. Every word, every image, every testimonial either builds or breaks down trust. So now let's talk about friction. Even if your visitor believes in you, if the path to working with you leaves people feeling confused, they will not take action and give you money. As a business owner, you should be trying to remove friction everywhere possible. So you should keep contact forms simple, just their name, their email, and one optional message plus the word submit, with something action orientated like book a free 15-minute consultation if you have any further questions. Don't list out 10 different packages the first time someone comes into your process. Present one clear next step if they want to find out more. Use clear call to actions that guide users through your client journey and takes them through demonstrating your social proof and building trust and belief in your business with you, overcoming their doubts and objections before they get asked to book. Every page should feel effortless to move through visually, emotionally, and mentally. It should talk to your client's pain points and how you move them further away from those towards their desires. And if they're not ready to buy yet, then you need to give them a low friction entry point so that you're collecting their data before they leave your website, so that you are collecting their email, phone number, and name, and preferably further questions as you become more advanced. Like, where are they coming from, so that you can figure out what in your marketing is working best. So you should be offering a lead magnet that still gets them into your world, like offering instant quoting. And I have multiple videos about this on this page so that you can capture your lead data. And then those resources let potential clients experience your value before they ever spend $1 with you. And you've also collected their data so that you can nurture them long term. Because even if they're not ready to buy today, once they are in your ecosystem or your sales funnel, your automated nurturing sequences, so emails and text messages, can continue to build trust and authority. And proof builds trust. Positioning builds authority. Ease builds conversions and sales. And when you combine those three, you stop chasing clients and they start chasing you. Your website's design is a part of your credibility. Your fonts, your colors, and your imagery should mirror your social media, your YouTube if you have it, and even your email signatures. Every element should feel recognizably you. That is what building a brand consists of. So for us at Venture Mentors, that means our eagle logo and our minimalist green and white palette and our clean and luxury high-end business tone, because most of the people who are paying for mentoring with us are already doing over $750,000 in their business. And it communicates precision because that's what we provide. It's calmness and authority that is intentional. People should feel your brand's energy the second that they land on your page without reading a single word. That is brand consistency, and it's one of the fastest shortcuts to building subconscious trust. Now, let's talk about tech, because beauty means nothing if your website doesn't function flawlessly. Your website is one of the first steps in your automation funnel. Your website needs to load in under 3 seconds. Anything longer, and it's creating friction in the buying process, and people start to leave your site. It has to be mobile friendly. Over 70% of visitors are browsing from their phone. And it needs to keep your top navigation clean. So no more than 5 menu items. Every button and every link should have a clear purpose. Don't have clutter. Don't try and be cute and fancy with your words if no one can understand what you're trying to say. Make it basic so that more people can understand it and enter your sales process. And track everything from day one, your Google Analytics and how many leads are coming in and converting. And you can't improve what you don't measure. Okay, so this is where most websites stop. But this is where the highest competing businesses that are growing the fastest actually begin their sales process. And this is where their back-end machine of automations actually starts. So every page should have one clear conversion goal. A lead magnet that triggers and nurture email. So we've captured someone email and now we've sent them an email. A quiz that segments people into the right funnel of nurturing. So we have this on our Venture Mentor site with our free business scorecard quiz, where we uncover the biggest gaps in your business and we give you a tailored roadmap for moving forward. You can have a purchase that triggers an upsell and a testimonial request for the calendar slot after their either their item has been delivered or a service has been completed. And automate everything that you can. So we even have abandoned cart workflows. So if someone's gone through, gotten a quote, make it to the sales page and then dropped off, we'll start nurturing them in a different way than other clients, because we can get up to 40% of those leads to come back within a week with the right nurturing sequence. And this is all done through AI while we're sleeping. Automate everything that you can. Follow up emails, reminders, so you lose less money on cancellations when you show up to do services and people have forgotten or you're locked out. Sending out service agreements, having them digitally signed, keep them on clients' files. Having AI record notes from the phone meetings that you'll have and then keep case notes in the client's files. Review request, retargeting clients' request, campaigns, email newsletters, all of that you can do with automations, AI agents, but obviously if you're just starting with your website, then and you want to know more, I go deep into all of this through my channel. So check out my other videos. Your website should never rely on you remembering to follow people up. It should rely on systems. And you can also automate your hiring process once you have an intake form on your website. You should also be campaigning year-round to hire top quality talent with automated hiring processes that pre-screen people so you're not wasting your time with interviews. If you haven't already, I do have a video about that, automated hiring systems. That's how you scale sustainably, by letting automation handle the repetition so that you can focus on your strategy and working on the business instead of doing things 10 times when software can now do it for you. So once your website is live, your work is not done. It has only just started. And we do website builds at Cornerstone AI and at Venture Mentors. We have a full team that can optimize all of this for you. If you want to book a free call below, you can. Once you have a website, you can start collecting data on what works and what doesn't, what titles get the most people in, where people are coming through, what pages they land on the most, where they drop off in your buying process. You can collect data and have people enter into your sales funnel and then build out your client onboarding process, your staff onboarding process. Any tiny adjustments like swapping a headline from learn more to start here can double your conversions. And you can start to test and refine these things when you have automations built into your website. You can review your analytics weekly. You can track your traffic, your leads, how many of them convert into sales, how long people stay with your business, how many people they refer over the life of your relationship. You can track what's working. You can fix what's not. A website that's tracked and tuned consistently will outperform a static business card style website every single time. So don't just build a website. Build a system that sells on your behalf all year round, overnight, every day, without your constant input needed. Because your website isn't a digital brochure or pamphlet or business card. It is your 24/7 salesperson, your brand ambassador, and your lead generation engine. And if you want help building and auditing your site, or if you're ready to automate your systems and scale with confidence, then check the links below. You know what to do to discuss your website, your automation strategy, or a full-scale business system setup, or one-on-one mentoring, anything in relation to growing your business. Don't be afraid. Check out the links below. And check out my video, the 5 scaling levers that every business owner must know to grow, and hit subscribe, because you don't need a prettier website. You need a smarter one. And when your systems sell for you, your time finally becomes your most profitable asset.